Welcome to the Ironwood, a stunning custom cedar home provided by Cedar Designs. With over 2,300 square feet of modern post and beam craftsmanship, this home is more than a structure, it's a statement. This is the heart of the Ironwood. The open-concept living room flows seamlessly into the kitchen and dining area. Natural light pours in through oversized windows, highlighting the cedar beams above and the craftsmanship below. The kitchen is both functional and elegant, perfect for entertaining or quiet mornings. Let's head to the master suite. Spacious, serene, and filled with natural textures, it's a retreat within a retreat. 2 additional bedrooms offer flexibility for guests, family, or a home office. And with 3 full bathrooms, everyone has space to breathe. Downstairs, the walkout basement opens to a covered patio, ideal for entertaining or relaxing after a day on the lake or trail. This level adds privacy and functionality, with room for a gym, media room, or studio. Outdoor living is where the Ironwood shines. With over 500 square feet of covered and open deck space, you can enjoy every season in comfort. Cedar's natural resistance to moisture and insects means your outdoor spaces stay beautiful longer. Let's talk structure. Post and beam construction uses large timbers joined with precision, creating open interiors, fewer walls, and timeless durability. It's earthquake-resistant, energy-efficient, and allows for dramatic architectural features that's standard. Framing can't match. Western Red Cedar is lightweight, stable, and naturally insulating. It resists warping, cracking, and pests, making it ideal for both interior and exterior use. Plus, it's sustainably harvested and biodegradable, aligning with eco-conscious building practices. The Ironwood isn't just a house, it's a handcrafted home built to last generations. With modern design, natural materials, and the strength of post and beam construction, it's ready for whatever life and nature brings. Ready to build your dream retreat? Visit cedardesigns.com.